you guys have consistently come out with thematic funds a couple of years before they catch the fancy, and they've given good returns in the past. As a house, what are the themes that you believe, or what are the sectoral or thematic funds where you believe people should actively look at investing in, whether in a SIP fashion or in a lump sum fashion?
In cricket, they call it half volley outside the off stump. So you have given me a half volley outside the off stump. So this is
great for my viewers.
So, and I'm sure this will help your viewers also. Why do we come with so many thematic funds? Because we believe that mutual fund or fund of funds is a great way of investing in thematic funds. So I've launched something called as Thematic Advantage Fund, right? Since last, and you see the track record of Thematic Advantage Fund. It's a good track record. What do we do? Suppose you have got a view on a sector that this sector should do well. Suppose banking sector, we believe today has to do well. Do you know when to exit out of the banking sector? Your investor has to take the decision of entry and has to take the decision of exit also. And when he exits, suppose he invests in 2 months' time, your returns come in 2-3 months' time, then you will have to pay full capital gains tax on that, right? Short-term capital gains you will have to pay on that. So we have launched a thematic fund of fund where we'll decide which themes of funds should we invest in. So we will invest in those categories that are within the company. So I've got all the themes in the company. I've got banking. So today we believe banking is a very good space to invest, because I think private sector banks are beautifully placed. Their balance sheets are clean. Credit cycle will come round, right? We believe credit cycle will be back. We believe that even if interest rate rises, private sector banks will be able to manage their NII as well. They have got a huge market to be taken from the overall banking system in the country. So if we believe that, then there will be a huge allocation in thematic advantage in banking fund itself, right? And when at the right time we'll decrease suppose banking does very well over the next 2 months, I can decrease the weightage of the banking fund and I can increase. So theme wise, we like our pharma fund. We came up with the pharma fund after 4 years of underperformance. Right, pharma had not done well till 2019. Between 2016 and 19, pharma had not done well. That's the came with our pharma fund has done very well. After bad cycle of commodity for 4 to 5 years of bad commodity cycle, we had come with our commodities fund that has given an amazing return in the last 2 years. So we will decide the sectors for the customer, and I think for a aggressive investor who wants to take equity investor and wants to invest in themes, there is nothing better than thematic advantage fund. Right? It's a fund of fund which invests in themes, and we will decide the entry and the exit point of time. The fund managers, we have created some internal models for that. So if you ask me which sectors we like, as I said, I like banking sector today. Banking has corrected a lot, and so banking sector is one place. Auto is another place where auto has not done well for so many last 2 years. Auto has not been doing well. So auto is another place that we like. One of the themes that we really like very much right now is housing. We believe real estate is going to do very well. For 7-8 years, real estate has not done well. Last 1 year, real estate has started picking up. We believe that the inventory in the country has gone down big time. Right, the unsold inventory is all-time low. So with that, we believe real estate is 7-8 years. We like everything after underperformance. So after 7-8 years of underperformance, I think real estate is a good sector. So either you go and invest on your own in houses, but if you don't want to invest in houses, come and invest in what we are launching today is ICICI Prudential Housing Fund. So it will not only invest in real estate companies, it will also invest whatever goes into housing. So cement, steel, so various industries that benefit out of housing growth in India. The banks itself, which have got a great business of lending to real estate, lending to mortgages. Mortgages, this one. So overall, I think it's quite well diversified, because you get banking, you get steel companies, you get you get various sector also you get, because cement is today not, so the cement is expected to do well. So all those sectors are present in the housing fund. So I think housing fund itself is a great opportunity, and we have launched it right now as we are talking. Incidentally, you asked that question, but we have launched that fund yesterday. Right. Wow. So next 14-15 days, it's a NFO that is out to offer ICICI Prudential Housing Fund.